animating, just animating. So I'm just animating something I've been working on for a very long time. See, look, wink. Just make sure you find that Easter egg when I'm done with this thing. I've been working on it for a few weeks actually. So if you want to, I'll show you the animation now because I feel like it. Hey, those are my donuts.
Yo, I'm gonna steal the whole boxes.
Come on, kid.
You have zero, none.
No, I went to the store and I just bought them.
It's just mine.
You're a scary little kid.
Yeah, so I really like this, especially because it's my first time actually doing lip sync because I actually wanted to do this. And this cat represents me. Yeah, I like donuts, and that's a Boston cream, you know, because I felt like it. And the other cat, I don't know, I just had to find another character, and I was too lazy. Derp. Well, it's raining outside to us, so I decided to animate. Bye-bye.